I'm filming.
Oh, hi! Minun Caroline.
Oh my god, how do you remember? Oh, that's so cute.
That doesn't make any sense. Let me do, like, he has control of me.
Well, I think you just need to leave and say like,
exactly, I don't want to do, but get back to me. Don't get boyfriends, they're annoying.
still depressed with your boyfriend. I mean upset.
I don't remember how to say it.
I remember only in Italian, I don't remember it.
Well, how do you say it in Italian?
Il mio nome è Erika.
Yeah, we got different.
Well, you taught me an easier one the other day.
Mi chiamo.
Mi chiamo Caroline.
who want European solidarity, European peace, European trade, and drives Europe, all of the peoples of Europe, working together. Finally.
Pietro is really bored.
It's creaky.
So bad. What did he say?
You want to go out, get out.
Oh, what a
We are all Europeans. We will all stick together as Europeans. We will not give in to the xenophobes.
Let's go to Mackie.
And we...
Maggie's. And that's how we leave.
Our dream is that Brexit is over. We get over this national nightmare. We
wanted to buy a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Rachel wears medium. But Leeds one. So we found one.
Yeah, let's show it. This one.
Yes. And then Pietro.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Mi nomini Pietro.
On Pietro.
On Pietro.
Yeah, we know.
Wait, because they don't have a medium in his size. Well, they don't have one in his size, and he uses medium. That was a long story. But anyway, so then he went, no, they don't have a medium. No, what did he say? No, I want to.
Yeah, yeah. We said, do you want? We said, do you want small or maybe large? And then he said,
No, I want a medium.
Pietro, do you
Where's
want
my
small?
bag?
No, I want a medium.
Where's my bag?
That's my bag.
I want a medium.
Say again.
I want a medium.
Should we go?
Yeah.
I don't have a medium. Carol, the white girl.
Yes, Starbucks. Say what it is.
I'm so Fenty Beauty, I'm so excited. Oh my god.
Yes, you. Oh my god, it's so bright.
Pigmented.
Let me take the night I love real easy. And I know that you still wanna see me. On the Sunday morning music real loud. Let me love you while the moon is still out. Something in you lit up heaven in me. The feeling won't let me sleep.
Do you want to say something in Danish? Say.
Hej, mit navn er Karoline. Vi er i Leeds, og vi skal til McDonald's. Tak for at I så med. Subscribe!
I look like all you need.